welcome back, Papa Missouri here, guys. It's a cold one today. It is the 8th of December. Let me just day 8 of our 25 days of lasering Christmas presents for you guys. Again, you can win all 25 items we're going to make over the next 25 days. So, guys, make sure you go back, hit the last 7, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, leave a comment on the videos. You'll be entered to win. Every video that you comment on, you're entered to win the item that we made in there. Free of charge, US. International will pay the first $5 in shipping on each item. So, guys, today, everyone loves the Grinch. The Grinch, the Grinch. He hates people. He hates Christmas. I think he hates himself.
For some reason, when he came home that day, he really got into the Christmas spirit for the first time.
Baby, picture you.
Perfect!
So, guys, without further ado, let's make the Grinch. What we're going to do here, guys, we're going to make a Grinch bottle opener. As you can see here, this is the bottle opener cutout. Be made on wood, and then the Grinch will be engraved on it, and then we'll slap one of our metal beer bottle openers in the middle.
What a lovely family heirloom!
I don't think 7 minutes and 40 seconds is what it says it's going to take, so we shall see. It was like selling seashells by the seashore. So we do have our extra laser today, hello laser cam. Still doesn't like to talk. One of these days we will get him to talk. Just not today, I guess. So laser, here we go. As you can see, we've already painted the wood. It looks silver, but it is painted a green color for, of course, the Grinch. Let's frame it out. It's not going to be right because I have not set it up yet. So we'll let it go and we'll frame it to the top here. This piece is going to be a little bit bigger than what we need. So without further ado, enjoy the music and see you in a couple minutes. Alright, so as you can see, we are done. Let's home Mr. Laser here. Let's take a look at this. So I'm hoping it's going to fall out. Go. Alright. Maybe. I want to get rid of the big piece here. Get it out of the way. So, of course, here you got your back. You need a little bit of a cleanup on it, but you got your back, of course. And then you got your front with a very cool Grinch lasered in there. Very nice. You know, of course, this is our metal shank that we put inside of it. Goes like that. Like that. And then here you go. There is your Grinch inspired bottle opener, window breaker, or assault tool. So very cool. We'll glue this up. We'll show it to you tomorrow. But first, guys, we do want to show you off yesterday, day 7. We did make the heart, always on our mind, forever in our hearts, loving memory Christmas ornament there. So as you can see, my fingers have white paint on them. So a little bit of a hint towards tomorrow's video. So here we go. Guys, as always, speedy as movie. Do one good thing for everybody, and we'll see you later. Bye.